This hawk, everyone, I'm extremely exhausted. I did a 30-hour road trip yesterday in this wonderful, wonderful car loaner because my car's in the shop, and I'm fighting with the dealership to have them cover the entire thing. Good luck on that one, right? But so I took their car out for a spin, and I'm exhausted, but it's Thanksgiving 2020. I'm cleaning up the house, and I see a hawk sitting in the back. Wait till you see this shot. Not this one, the one that's coming up, everybody. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Okay, everybody, I'm sneaking. I've got to be a very good sneaker here. I'm putting on my shoes. Okay, I just did a major road trip with a car loaner. I had a car loaner. Great car, this car right here, but I'm sneaking onto a hawk. He's back there. The back. Uh-oh, here come the damn crows. These damn crows. No, go away, crows. These shoes are too noisy. Let's go the back way. These shoes are too noisy. Stupid ass shoes. Oh, there's an owl. There he is. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's another one. Well, welcome to my backyard. You can see it's very peaceful here when there aren't planes flying overhead. It's Thanksgiving 2020, everybody. Much love to everyone. Happy Thanksgiving from Cleveland. I'm thankful for a lot to being alive. Thank you for the Lord. Thank you for Jesus, Buddha, Allah, the NSA, and everything that puts me here and gets me information. I'm thankful for all of you, my family, for that bird that just pooped. The hawk that just pooped. But these guys are just hanging out like the rest of us. But they're free to soar as opposed to being in lockdown and away from family members, some of you. Just remember, keep the compassion, everybody. Keep it always better. Learn the law. Land, air, water. Learn the law. I could talk forever. We got a lot of videos coming at all of you, and they're all across the board, from home inspections, energy efficient. From home energy efficiency in the home and also of the human body. I'm going to teach you all how to try and solve headaches, how to live underneath this ionized sky for the next 30 to 40 years. And then also, some of you have asked what has been going on with these airplanes overhead. Well, we never used to have airplanes over our homes in Cleveland Heights. And in fact, we fought to keep a highway out of this area so that these birds, these hawks, the birds, the hawks, and these trees would survive. Oh, that bird is not happy. He's like, get out of my area. And the hawk's like, leave me alone, it's Thanksgiving. Appreciate the support. Much love, always better. Let's keep it that way.